Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Geographic on Fire TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Begin by turning on your Fire TV. Navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, select the search icon at the top left. Type in National Geographic in the search bar. Select the National Geographic app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the National Geographic app. You will see the activation screen with a code displayed. Note down the activation code shown on your screen. Now, using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, visit the National Geographic activation website. You will be prompted to sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one on the website. After signing in, enter the activation code from your Fire TV. Click on the Activate button. Return to your Fire TV. The app should refresh automatically. You will now have access to all the content available on National Geographic. Enjoy your viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.